Asbestos Lawyer, Expert Mesothelioma Attorney Services. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with an asbestos-related disease like mesothelioma or lung cancer, partnering with an experienced asbestos lawyer is crucial. Asbestos manufacturers and employers often bear legal liability for negligent exposure. An attorney can help victims and families pursue compensation through lawsuits or asbestos trust funds. What is asbestos, and what are its health risks? Asbestos refers to toxic mineral fibers that were heavily used in various industries for insulation, fireproofing, and construction. When asbestos breaks down, microscopic fibers are released into the air and can be inhaled. These fibers can cause cellular damage and genetic mutations, leading to serious diseases like mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis. Why you need an asbestos lawyer. An attorney levels the playing field against large companies and ensures your rights are protected. Key benefits of legal representation include investigating how and when asbestos exposure occurred, identifying all potentially liable parties, gathering evidence to prove negligence, filing claims with asbestos bankruptcy trust funds, negotiating lawsuit settlements, taking cases to trial. If fair settlements are not offered, without a lawyer, victims risk not receiving the full compensation they deserve. Asbestos exposure diseases. In addition to mesothelioma and lung cancer, asbestos also causes asbestosis, lung scarring and damage from asbestos fibers, pleural plaques, thickened patches on the pleura membrane, pleural effusion, buildup of fluid around the lungs, COPD, chronic inflammation of lungs exacerbated by asbestos. Experienced lawyers can obtain compensation for any asbestos-related illness, seeking compensation for asbestos exposure. Key legal provisions for seeking compensation include statute of limitations, time limit to file a claim, though some exceptions exist, strict liability, in some cases, no proof of negligence required, joint and several liability, naming multiple defendants. Your lawyer will determine the best legal strategies to secure compensation through settlements or verdicts. Why hire an asbestos lawyer? A lawyer provides investigation into exposure sources and liable parties, experienced guidance through the complex claims process, maximum compensation through all viable legal avenues, reduced stress, handle legal matters on your behalf, trusted advice, and compassionate support. Don't go it alone against big companies. Hire a lawyer to fight for your rights. Shabasid das. Client testimonials. Gibson Law got me a settlement that will cover medical costs. I highly recommend them. John K., mesothelioma client. The lawyers at Manning Law Firm were compassionate, diligent, and secured me fair compensation. Amanda S., asbestosis client, contact us at 250-298-4874 or www.asbestoslawyersgroup.com for a free case evaluation. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with an asbestos disease, our experienced attorneys are here to help you. Conclusion. Going through an asbestos disease diagnosis is difficult enough without pursuing compensation alone. Our lawyers have decades of experience helping victims and families nationwide. With our proven track record and compassionate support, you can trust us to handle your case while you focus on your health. Contact us today to get started.